Okay. Hello. This is part 2 of the 1998 90% silver proof half dollar. Sorry, I got a burp or something. And this is the part where we clean her up. Start by lightly brushing her some 4-0 steel wool. Clean some of that fire scale off of there. It's already looking really nice. Now we're going to hit it with some polish. Make it super shiny. I like Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. Just get a little scoop of that. And just coat this sucker inside and out. Works best with a really nice, soft microfiber cloth. When I started using this polish, I used paper towels. This works much better. If anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you'd like to get yourself one of these 1990s silver half-dollar coin rings, tap the shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. It's cleaning up really nicely. I dip it in a little bit of water. For hardness wood coin, it's best to make thicker ring that will stay true round shape. Maybe like a 90% silver dollar, like a Morgan dollar. They are really, really tough coins, and they're definitely on the thicker band size. Look at that. Really nice. Get a jewelry polishing cloth, make it even shinier. Thank you very much. Say half dollars aren't a bad choice. Pretty much every one of these I make, I really like. Sorry this isn't the most exciting live. Y'all missed me making this. We're just polishing it up now. But started a job and I wanted to finish it. Look at that thing. You can see me waving it. See if we can get it lined up. See my fingers? That's a pretty good mirror finish right there. 1, 2, 3. Cute little ring. Very nice. You got In God We Trust arching over the date as well. It's reversible, so you can flip it around and have Liberty showing. Pretty cool. If y'all want to check these out, tap the shopping cart. If you have any questions, now's the time to ask. If you haven't hit the follow button yet and you'd like to, go for it. We're about done with this one. Thanks for watching. Polish it up a little bit more. Then I'm going to take a little break. This came out really nicely. Well-deserved break, I think. It sucks because it's at the point where it's so nicely polished that my fingerprints show up on it. So I want to show it off, right? But every time I move it in my hands, it gets fingerprints. Really nice. Alright guys, I hope the rest of your day is freaking awesome. I appreciate you stopping by and watching me work today. And I hope to catch you next time. Peace.